Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the N26 app, a mobile banking solution that allows you to manage your finances on the go. The N26 app is available for both iOS and Android devices and can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play Store. To get started, you need to sign up for an N26 account, which can be done directly through the app. You will be asked to provide some personal details, such as your name, address, and date of birth, as well as verify your identity. This is a standard process to ensure the security of your account. Once you have signed up and your account is activated, you can log in to the app using your username and password or fingerprint authentication. The dashboard provides an overview of your account balance, recent transactions, and any notifications. To send money, navigate to the transfer section, enter the recipient's details, and the amount you want to send. You can also add a reference to the transaction and choose the payment method. N26 supports instant transfers to other N26 users, as well as standard bank transfers. To receive money, simply share your account details with the sender. You can also generate a QR code that the sender can scan to initiate the transfer. The N26 app also allows you to set up direct debits and standing orders for regular payments. The app also includes a budgeting feature that allows you to track your spending and stay on top of your finances. You can set budgets for specific categories, such as food or entertainment, and receive notifications when you go over budget. The app also provides insights into your spending habits and offers suggestions on how to save money. In terms of security, the N26 app uses state-of-the-art encryption and two-factor authentication to protect your account. You can also freeze your card temporarily if you lose it or suspect any suspicious activity. In conclusion, the N26 app is a powerful tool for managing your finances on the go. By following these steps and exploring the app's features, you can take control of your money and make the most of your account. Remember to always keep your account details and password secure to ensure the safety of your funds.